So, all right, guys, you are welcome back to the family. This is the voice of Zion of Logistics, and this is Samuel Joshua. Okay, so in a very quick one, let me quickly show you how you can save a video image. Maybe you want to use it for your pre-order business, you want to use it for a display on your WhatsApp status, or you want to use it to run adverts. I'm going to be showing you two methods you can use to save a video on 1688. Okay, so now this is the video, right? So if I'm to click on it now, the video will start playing. You can see that the video is playing now and there is no way to save it. Okay, so now the first method is you can easily screen record. Okay, you are going to screen record this session here as I'm doing right now. So once you screen record it, you are going to click on it for it to show very well like this. So you are going to, for those who are using iOS, iPhone, you are going to be finding your screen recorder under the section of your dashboard. Okay, so you can easily use that to do a screen record. Okay, so but if you are using Android, you can go to your Play Store, download screen recorder. So once you download screen recorder, you can use it to record the entire screen, then crop it. Okay, that is the first method you can use to save a video image on 1688, because that is one of the mistakes that you guys even do. If they are to put a display now, I want to buy this wristwatch. Let me just show you something. I want to buy this wristwatch here. You can see it here. He only use this picture to display. How do I confirm that this picture is real? How do I confirm that what I want to buy is real? Even though he sent he upload this picture, this video does not show that is having that certain item. I can go to online and download this thing directly. Do you get it? But for more confirmation, you you should always request for video of any item you are buying, to be sure that that supplier have it. So you are going to use it against that supplier the moment he failed to deliver that same product. Do you get it? So please, that's another mistake. Don't fall a victim. So request for a video. So now this is the first. Once you have been able to follow the first method, maybe it did not work for you. The second method is to enter the supplier's DM. Okay, message them for the video of that item you are buying. Okay, so and I'm 100% sure that the supplier will send it to your DM. Okay, now this is how to do that. This is the image. Now you can see we've already confirmed the image, but we need the exact same product to be sure of what we are buying. Do you get it? So now you are going to click on this chat icon here to enter the supplier's DM. So once you enter the supplier's DM, this is what it will look like. So I drop him a message. Can I see the video of this product? I still write it in English again. He said, how many pieces do I need? I said 150 pieces. So he now sent the video directly. Remember, the first video we watch have to do with where they are doing the wristwatch, but it's not showing that exact video. Now you can see that he now sent the exact wristwatch on how this wristwatch is and how it functions. Now let me click on the video. So you can see that the video, this is the complete video now. And why are they not using this as the display picture? You can see that this is the complete wristwatch, the item that I want to buy. You can see that this is the complete video. Now you can see that I can see everything myself. Should in case he failed to deliver, I will request for a refund. Can you see it? Can you see that? Can you see? So if I'm satisfied enough, I will proceed to buy this item. But if I'm not satisfied, then I can stop transacting. I'll go ahead with the next supplier. So now to save this video that this guy sent you here, you just click on the video, then you long press. This option will pop up. Select this last one here. But before I save it, let me open my gallery for you to see that I'm not having this video on my gallery. All right. You can see that this is my gallery now. I'm not having any videos, any recent videos here. The last picture I'm having here is this guy here, right? So now let me open this video and save it. So once you just click on it here, long press, and this option will comes up, then select this option here to save. So you can see that it has automatically saved. Let me go back to my gallery to check this picture. You can see that it has already saved. This is the picture now. I can use this picture to display. This is the picture. It's already in my gallery. I can use it anywhere. You can see it. So let me go back. So now this is just the first supplier that I requested the video from. Now let me go back to the second supplier here. I think I messaged 2 people for the video. Okay, so I think it is this guy here. Let me check. Okay, yes, you can see that this is the same product, and I sent this guy a message that I need a video of this product. So now he has sent the video. Now let me click on it for you to see.
Looking for you.
Thing. Once you are done watching, long press, save it again. So it has saved. Let me go open my gallery. Second video has saved again. This is the first video. This is the second video. You can see them. So this is the simple method you want to use to save these videos. All right, to save a picture product on 168it. If you've already gained value from this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.